established in 2012, located in Chashan Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong, China. We enjoy convenient location for arrangements for overseas transportation. Our company occupies an area of more than 5,000 square meters. With this size and scale, we are fully capable of implementing bulk order production. Apart from being rich in garment production experience with advanced sewing, seamless knitting, textile manufacturing, dyeing workshops, precise and efficient machines, our company adopts scientific management system to optimize workflow and maximize production yields. Owing to over a decade's growth, we have risen from a small garment factory to a middle-sized enterprise, along with the increase in staff and workplace scale, as well as improvement in machinery. We are capable of achieving a considerable annual yield. With export license, we export products to many countries and regions, mainly in America, Africa, and Europe, as well as many other countries and regions all over the world. Our products gain wide praises at home and abroad. Our customers are always extremely satisfied with our products and services. Our company has won WRAP certificate. Thanks to these certificates, together with our dedication in every step in production, we have great confidence in our business and growth of our company. Our tenet is to create a better life by wholehearted devotion. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together based on mutual benefits.